Hey there, future YouTubers. Ever dream of making money while wearing pajamas? YouTube might be your answer. It's a wild world where cat videos can make you rich and bad. Singing can be strangely entertaining. Seriously though, YouTube is a platform where anyone with a camera and a dream can become the next big thing. Think of it as your own TV channel, but way cooler and with less hairspray. But hold your horses. Before you quit your day job and buy a gold-plated selfie stick, let's break down how to actually make money on YouTube. It takes more than just uploading a video of your goldfish swimming in circles, though surprisingly those videos can get views. So, are you ready to become the next YouTube sensation? Let's do this. Alright, let's get this show on the road. First things first, you need a YouTube channel. It's free and easier to set up than assembling IKEA furniture. Well, almost. Next, decide what kind of videos you want to create. Will you be teaching the world how to cook ramen noodles like a Michelin star chef, sharing your hilarious gaming commentary, or maybe you're a makeup guru in the making? Once you've got your niche, it's time to film. You don't need a fancy Hollywood studio, though if you have one, invite us over. Good lighting and clear audio are key. And remember, be yourself. People connect with authenticity. Edit your video like a pro, or at least try to make it look like you did. There are tons of free editing software out there, and bam, you've got your first YouTube video. Now for the million-dollar question, literally if you play your cards right, how do you make money from this whole YouTube thing? It's not just about uploading videos and hoping for the best. First up, join the YouTube Partner Program YPP. Think of it as the VIP lounge of YouTube, where the real money-making magic happens. This is where you get access to monetization features that can turn your hobby into a lucrative career. You'll need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time in the past 12 months. It might sound daunting, but with consistent effort and engaging content, it's definitely achievable. Don't worry, it's not as hard as it sounds. Many YouTubers have reached this milestone by focusing on their niche and connecting with their audience. Once you're in the YPP, you can enable ads on your videos. This is one of the primary ways to earn money on YouTube. Every time someone watches or skips an ad, you earn a little cash. The more views your videos get, the more ad revenue you can generate. It's like magic, but with less smoke and mirrors. The key is to create content that keeps viewers coming back for more. Another way to make bank is through sponsorships. Companies are always looking for influencers to promote their products. Brands love to partner with YouTubers to reach their audience. These deals can be incredibly lucrative, especially if you have a loyal and engaged following. Think of it as getting paid to talk about stuff you already love. It's a win-win situation for both you and the brand. And don't forget about merchandise. Got a catchy slogan or a unique design? Design a t-shirt, mug, or any other product. People love repping their favorite YouTubers. Merchandise not only brings in extra income, but also helps build your brand and community. Engaging with your fans and creating a sense of community can lead to even more opportunities for monetization. So keep creating, keep engaging, and watch those views turn into Benjamins. Let's talk about some real-life YouTube success stories. Take PewDiePie, for example. The guy started out playing video games in his bedroom, and now he's a global phenomenon with over 100 million subscribers. That's a lot of subscribers. Then there's Michelle Phan, a makeup artist who turned her passion into a multi-million-dollar empire through YouTube tutorials. Who knew that perfectly winged eyeliner could be so lucrative? And let's not forget about Dude Perfect, a group of friends who made a career out of filming insane trick shots. Proof that sometimes, goofing off with your buddies can actually pay off. These are just a few examples of ordinary people who achieved extraordinary things on YouTube. The possibilities are endless. Starting out on YouTube can feel like navigating a maze blindfolded. The platform is vast and the competition is fierce. It's easy to feel overwhelmed and unsure of where to begin. But fear not, aspiring YouTubers. Here are some tips to help you on your journey to internet stardom, and make the process a little less daunting. First, consistency is key. Upload videos regularly to keep your audience engaged. Whether it's once a week or twice a month, stick to a schedule so your viewers know when to expect new content. Think of it like watering a plant. If you neglect it, it'll wither and die. Your channel needs regular attention and care to grow and thrive. Second, promote. Share your videos on all your social media platforms. Utilize Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and even TikTok to get the word out. Shout it from the rooftops. But maybe check with your neighbors first. The more places you share your content, the more likely you are to attract new viewers. Third, engage with your viewers, respond to comments, answer questions, and show your audience that you appreciate their support. Building a relationship with your viewers can turn casual watchers into loyal fans. Building a community is crucial for success on YouTube. A supportive community can provide feedback, share your content, and help you grow. Fourth, don't be afraid to experiment. Try different types of content, collaborate with other YouTubers, and find what works best for you. Experimentation can lead to discovering your unique style and niche. Sometimes, the best ideas come from unexpected places. Keep an open mind and be willing to take creative risks. And most importantly, have fun. If you're not enjoying yourself, it will show in your videos. Your passion and enthusiasm are contagious and can draw viewers in. So relax, be yourself, and let your personality shine through. Authenticity is what makes your channel unique and keeps viewers coming back for more. Okay, so you're ready to dive into the wonderful world of YouTube. Awesome! It's an exciting journey filled with endless possibilities and opportunities to share your creativity with the world. But hold on a second. Before you hit that record button, there's something crucial you need to consider. What are you actually going to make videos about? This is a question that every successful YouTuber has asked themselves at some point. This is where finding your niche comes in. Your niche is your unique corner of the internet where you can shine the brightest. What are you passionate about? Passion is the fuel that will keep you going even when things get tough. What do you know a lot about? Your expertise can set you apart from others and establish you as an authority in your field. What can you talk about for hours on end? If you can talk about it endlessly, chances are there's an audience out there who will listen. Maybe you're a whiz at makeup tutorials, a video game master, or a culinary genius. Or you make the best darn grilled cheese sandwiches this side of the Mississippi. Whatever it is, embrace it. Whatever it is, find that thing that makes you, well, you. Authenticity is key in building a loyal audience. Think about it like this. YouTube is like a giant potluck. Everyone brings something different to the table. There's a little something for everyone. The diversity of content is what makes YouTube so special. But you don't want to be the person who brings the same dish as everyone else, right? No way. You want to stand out. You want to bring that dish that everyone raves about and asks for the recipe. That's your niche. So take your time, explore your passions, and find that unique angle that will make your channel truly one of a kind. So you've got your niche, you're churning out awesome videos. Now what? Time to build your very own fan club. Okay, maybe not a fan club with membership cards and secret handshakes, though that's not a bad idea. Engaging your audience is all about building a community around your content. Think of your viewers as your friends who hopefully click on ads and buy your merch, but friends nonetheless. Respond to comments, even the silly ones. Ask questions in your videos, create polls, do shoutouts, make your viewers feel like they're a part of something special. Remember, YouTube is all about connection. People want to feel like they're a part of something bigger than themselves. Give them that feeling and they'll be your biggest fans, and maybe even your friends in real life. Okay, you've got the awesome videos, the engaged audience, but something's missing. Views. Sadly, just because you build it doesn't mean they will come. You gotta get out there and hustle. Promote your channel like your grandma's prize-winning apple pie is on the line. Share your videos everywhere. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, carrier pigeon, you name it. Collaborate with other YouTubers in your niche. Do cross-promotions. Attend YouTube events, virtually or in person. Think outside the box. Remember, the YouTube algorithm is a fickle beast. But the more you promote, the more likely your videos are to be seen by the right people. And who knows, maybe one day, you'll be able to quit your day job and make YouTube your full-time gig. Here's the thing about the internet. Everyone's a critic. And unfortunately, some people express their critiques with the eloquence of a troll hiding under a bridge. Yes, haters gonna hate. It's just a fact of life, like taxes and awkward family gatherings. But here's the good news. You don't have to let them get to you. Remember, haters are usually unhappy people projecting their own insecurities onto others. So, the next time you get a nasty comment, take a deep breath and remember, their words say more about them than they do about you. Don't feed the trolls, ignore them, block them, or better yet, turn their negativity into humor. A well-placed, witty comeback can shut down a hater faster than you can say unsubscribe. You know that saying, Rome wasn't built in a day? Well, neither is a successful YouTube channel. Building a loyal following takes time, effort, and most importantly, consistency. Think of it like working out. You're not going to see results after just one trip to the gym. But if you stay consistent with your workouts, you'll eventually reach your fitness goals. The same goes for YouTube. Don't get discouraged if you don't have thousands of subscribers after a few weeks or even a few months. Just keep creating quality content, engaging with your audience, and promoting your channel. Remember, slow and steady wins the race. And who knows, maybe one day you'll be accepting that gold play button with tears in your eyes, thanking your cat for being your first subscriber. So there you have it, folks. My crash course on how to make money on YouTube. It's a wild ride, but it can be incredibly rewarding, both creatively and financially. Remember, the most important thing is to be yourself, have fun, and never give up on your dreams. Who knows, maybe one day I'll be interviewing you on The Tonight Show. Until then, keep creating awesome content, and I'll see you on the flip side.